When you're editing videos for a deadline, every single second counts. So if you can save time, then that's going to help you out in the long run. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and the reason why you're probably watching this is because you've got a very tight video editing deadline and you need to find some time-saving hacks in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I'm going to stop wasting your time with these introductions and we're just going to jump straight into the first tip. So now once we have our footage in the preview window, we just want to scroll through the footage and find the part of the footage that we would like to include. Now to cut this inside the preview window, we just want to press the I key on the keyboard to create an in point, scroll across and press O, and this will create an out point. And now from here, we can just drag the video down in towards the timeline and that will create a brand new sequence. Now, if I wanted to trim the start of this video, all I would need to do is press Q. And if I wanted to trim the end of this, all I would need to do is press W. And this trims the video up to that cursor head. Now, if I wanted to do a specific cut, then all I would need to do is press C and this brings up the razor tool, and then press V and this brings up the cursor tool. And then that gives me the ability to cut the video. Now this technique is really awesome because it gives us the ability to create a flickering music video effect. And now finally, when we want to play back our video, if we want to reverse the video, all we need to do is press J. So if we reverse in real time, we press J once. If we want to reverse in double time, we press J twice. And if we want to reverse in triple speed, then all we need to do is press J 3 times. So if we want to fast forward in real time, we just want to play ahead, then we'll just press L once. If we want to play back in double speed, we'll press that twice. And if we want to play back in triple speed, then all we need to do is press that 3 times. Now it might not seem like much, but using these shortcuts and using your keyboard rather than flicking through the screen with your mouse and your cursor can really help to add up to save yourself a lot of time in the edit. So the next time that you have a strict editing deadline, make sure you think about these shortcuts as these will really help to reduce your editing time. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this one in the future. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.